Master bedroom. This area. New. House in Rochester I'm doing. This ceiling's gonna be plank, like wooden ceiling, so we don't have to do this one. Downstairs. And we're doing the garage, but there's no lights right now. You have to take them down. So we'll have temporary lights in here. We're just doing the ceiling and one wall. The rest of the walls will be plywood. And this wall here is going to be 5/8. And the ceiling's a 5/8. 12-foot high ceiling. So got the house all boarded. It's out in Rochester, Mass. 238 sheets. Got a garage There's no light in here right now, but we have the garage ceiling and a wall to do in here. And what else? Go upstairs. This whole ceiling's being planked with wood, so we don't have to do that at all. I'll go upstairs, and second floor is the biggest part of it. Let's see here. A bedroom to my right. Small bedroom. Closet. Bathroom. Surround. Tub and everything's already in there. Everything's blueboarded up there. Ceiling's getting planked here too. I started plastering behind the borders, so I didn't have my staging. This is the wall. Smooth wall. Unpainted. I got the bathroom here. Started all this. Had to start low because I didn't have my staging. I just brought my staging. What else I got here? Hallway, closets, and another room here. All high ceilings. All angles. Gotta plug my lights in. Had to go all the way down that little cubby down there. That's like another 12 feet length of crawl space, but it's all boarded. That's it. We're gonna get this thing out of the way. Even this hallway has cathedral to it. Yeah, this is my project. Outside so you can see the outside of the house, because I'm gonna have the rest on the drone footage. Okay, walk out here. This is the house you're gonna see in the drone. This is the Rochester house, is all done. This is the garage. Got the garage done. Just the ceiling. And one wall, because he's gonna put plywood up on the other walls. There's no lights in here, but as you can see, everything is smooth. The ceilings are smooth. And the wall smooth. It's over 200 sheets. This door is gonna go out on the front of the house, underneath the window over the garage. The guy's a carpenter, so he does this kind of stuff here. Same kind of thing he has on the shed outside. Same kind of barn looking doors. He builds them custom. He does custom cabinets and all that stuff. Gonna tile this. Everything was smooth, flat, except the laundry closet's texture. There's no lights in here. Sorry about that, but there's no lights. Textured all in the closets. And there's probably like 4 closets in the whole house. Wait a minute. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Little one. Yeah, it's not a lot of closets. All plastered, Blueboard and plastered 100%, except the ceiling. That's the window up there where that door is going, like a fake door. It's not gonna be open and closing and all that stuff.